Is Avuyile and I'm 22 years of age. Started working at Masslift last year, October, as an accounts clerk, and I've been recently promoted to junior accountant. So looking for a job was very difficult because a lot of the vacancies open need people with experience. So I was grateful for Masslift for giving me the opportunity to get experience, and working here has been great. I've been able to see that I need what I need in my life, and I need to further my studies and do CTA to be a chartered accountant. Yeah. I am thankful for the team, especially Tserufatso, who I've been working close with. She made me realize my dreams and that I want to be a CA one day. So I need to further my studies to do that. I am thankful for Masslift for giving me the opportunity to see my dreams and help me further them.